Hi guys, this is Zia Maliki from Information Technology. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can convert a Word document to PDF file. I already have this document open on my computer and I would like to convert this to PDF file. For that, click on the File menu and choose Save As. And here we can choose the location where we want to save our new PDF file. I want to save it on the desktop. For that, I will click on Browse. Now from the left side, click on Desktop. And here we need to give our file a new name. Click on this drop-down menu and choose PDF. Click on Save. So as simple as that. Our Word file has just been converted to PDF file. And here is the new PDF file which we just saved on the desktop. Convert to PDF. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more technology video. See you guys again.